Students, today I am going to start next phylum, that is Hemichordata. Okay. So Hemichordata. Hemi means half. It means half, and chordata means presence of chord. Okay, so it includes example balanoglossus, this is famous, or this is the most important, and saccoglossus. Okay, so how actually balanoglossus look, this I will show you. Okay, just have a look. So students, this is a balanoglossus. Okay, it is proboscis. It is divided into three parts. This will study proboscis, collar and trunk. Okay, so in 2004 it was subphylum under Chordata. Okay, in 2004 it was subphylum under Chordata. Okay, but in 2000 it was kept as a separate phylum. ठीक है, 2004 में इसको it was subphylum, and in 2005 it was kept separate phylum. इसको separate phylum में रखा गया. किसने किया? By Bantam. Okay, so it is first. Why so? पहले इसको Chordata में क्यों रखा गया? It is because क्योंकि Chordata की स्पेशलिटी है, दे हैव अ नोटोकॉर्ड. तो साइंटिस्ट को सबसे पहले लगा कि इनके में नोटोकॉर्ड पाया जा रहा है, इसलिए Chordata में रखा गया. बट इट वॉज फाउंड कि वो Chordata नहीं था, वो बक्कल डाइवर्टिकुलम था. ओके, पहले सबको लगा in place of notochord it was found buccal diverticulum. Okay, this I will show you. Students, have a look. देखो, Chordata की फीचर्स वी विल स्टडी लेटर. तो Chordata में कौन रखा जाता है, किस स्पीशीज को रखा जाता है, जिनके में नोटोकॉर्ड पाया जाता है. ठीक है, तो पहले साइंटिस्ट को लगा कि नोटोकॉर्ड है, बट इट वॉज लेटर फाउंड कि एक्चुअली इट वॉज बक्कल डाइवर्टिकुलम. ओके, सो बक्कल डाइवर्टिकुलम, हैव अ लुक. बक्कल डाइवर्टिकुलम is this. Okay, this is buccal diverticulum. This region is buccal diverticulum. So scientists thought it is notochord. It was kept under subphylum Chordata. Later it was found it is buccal diverticulum. And what is buccal diverticulum? It is a part of intestine. Okay, just have a clear look of this diagram. So what is it is actually a buccal diverticulum is part of intestine. Okay, now how many species are there? Around there are, you can say 90 to 100 species of Hemichordata. Now habitat species. In notochord, in place of notochord, what it was found? Buccal diverticulum. Now habitat. They are exclusively marine. Solitary, or you can say they are also found in colony, and they are burrowing animal. U-shaped burrow animal में पाए जाते हैं. U-shaped burrow में, U-shaped burrowing animals. Let me write. Okay. So next is their body. So their body is worm-like. Okay. Their body is worm-like. See, it is a worm-like. Okay. You can write tuberculous. It is U. Means worm-like, or U also known as tongue worm. And they are triploblastic, 3 germ layers, and bilateral symmetry. Symmetry is bilateral symmetry. And what else? This all points: triploblastic, bilateral symmetry, and coelomate. Triploblastic, bilateral symmetry, coelomate, organ system, and unsegmented. Body जो हैगी, the body is divided into 3 parts. Balanoglossus. We are taking the example of balanoglossus. Okay. So body parts जो है divide है. Body parts divided into 3. First is proboscis. Okay. Second is collar region. Third is trunk, also known as protozome. Collar, mesosome, trunk, metasome. Now come again. So let me show the diagram, proboscis region and this. So students, this is proboscis part. I have told ये पूरा proboscis part है. This is collar part and this region is trunk part. Okay. Now proboscis consists of mouth and proboscis gland. Collar part, they have stomacord. Stomacord means it is outgrowth of buccal cavity, and this trunk part is again divided into three parts. Okay, this is trunk part. It is divided into three parts. What three parts? Branchial and genital region, hepatic region, and abdominal region. Okay, so proboscis consists of mouth and proboscis gland. So proboscis glands helps in excretion. Okay, collar, they have stomachod. Okay, stomachod. What is stomachod? It is outgrowth of buccal cavity. ओके, जिसको हम लोग बक्कल डाइवर्टिक्यूलम कहते हैं. So student, this is buccal diverticulum. So this is important part. Okay, now next is this trunk part. So it is divided into three parts. Branchial and genital, second is hepatic, and third is abdominal region. And the branchial genital, it has gill slits. Okay, genital, you know, it has gill slits. And hepatic, it means glands are present. And third is abdominal region. And then no tail is absent. So this is all about. Next come to locomotory. Buccal. I think not able to understand. It is buccal. Okay. Locomotory. No appendages. Body wall, so body wall, single epidermis layer. Single epidermis layer, and they have longitudinal smooth muscles. Longitudinal smooth muscle fibers. Okay, and one more thing, epidermis layer, they also have mucus gland. ठीक है, they have mucus gland. So students, this is about hemichordata. Next video, digestive system, respiration, circulatory, nervous system, reproduction, feeding, all we will discuss. Okay.